Hello, popsicle enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into a world of frosty delight because August 26th is National Cherry Popsicle Day. Imagine the cool, fruity explosion of a cherry popsicle on a hot summer day. But did you know this beloved treat has a fascinating history? Back in 1905, young Frank Epperson invented the popsicle, completely by accident. Decades later, this simple creation became a staple of summer fun. Now let's turn to the kitchen. Cherry popsicles sparkle not just on their own, but they can also be transformed into delightful milkshakes and tempting cakes. The possibilities are endless when you let cherries lead the way to your next dessert, spiration. And what's a celebration without a little creativity? Unleash your inner artist with cherry-themed greeting cards or dazzling jewelry crafts that capture the vibrant essence of this holiday. But that's not all. Popsicles don't just delight your taste buds. They also support your health. Cherries boast antioxidants and vitamins, perfect for a guilt-free indulgence. Seeking a fresh twist? Turn your cherry popsicle into an ice cream sandwich or invigorate it with flavorful mix-ins. The charm of this dessert lies in its endless adaptability. Before we wrap up, here's a sprinkle of fun facts. Back in 1923, Frank Epperson introduced the cherry-flavored popsicle, and it was an instant hit. It remains a crowd favorite to this day. So, whether you're crafting, experimenting, or simply savoring a classic, let's unite in the sweetness of the cherry popsicle. It's a day to cherish with every juicy bite among friends and family. Now grab that cherry popsicle and celebrate life's little yet refreshing joys. Happy National Cherry Popsicle Day.